today because my family and I are off to the beach. Yay! But first, what is a beach? A beach is like a giant sandbox where the sea comes to play with the land. It's big, blue, and filled with wonders. Do you know why the sea is so unpatterned? Think about it for a moment. That's right. The sea is important because it gives us clean air to breathe and helps make rain. Amazing, right? Now, our way to the beach, I had so many questions. I want to learn the way to beach. So I asked my parents about the various roads and the direction. Have you ever been curious about the roads and directions? It's like going on a treasure hunt to find the best way to our exciting destination. Why we are at Queen's Way, they were nice ice cream stalls, and I really wanted some. But my parents said we cannot have ice cream every time because it's like a junk food and more cold. Only on our birthdays or our special days we can have. Can you guess what is my special treat? That's right. Sometimes I get a yummy fruits or a delicious smoothies. It's healthy and tasty. And on the way, I was really excited about swimming in the sea. Even brought my swimsuit because I wanted to swim with my dad. Have you ever gone swimming in the sea with your dad? Oh, and guess what? On our way, I learned something super important about road safety. I learned how to cross the road safely, holding hands with my dad. We looked both ways, like left and right, and waited for the green light. Do you know how to cross the road safely? Great job! Safety is so important, friends. Finally, we reached the beach, and I was happy. But oh dear, it was messy with lot of garbage that made me sad. So I wanted to clean up. Cleaning up the beach is important and make us happy because when it is clean, it is a happy place for everyone. Don't throw kachra in the beach. It's not allowed because there are some sharks and fish who are living in the beach. You should not throw kachra. Come, let's take some kachra. A clean beach is like a big open playground for all of us to enjoy without hurting the sea, without hurting the sea creatures and nature around. Have you ever thought about why it is important to keep the beach clean? And here is something super cool. We can be like beach superheroes. We can pick up trash, As we found, make sure to use the trash bin and remind our friends and family to do the same. How would you be the beach superhero? You know what makes the beach even more even more special? Keeping it clean. We can all be responsible and pick up after ourselves. That means throwing our trash in the trash bin and not leaving anything behind. We want our beach to be happy and clean for everyone to enjoy, right? But oh dear friends, when I saw the sea was not clean, it made me little sad. So to cheer me up, my amazing parents took me to a ice cream parlor. Not just any ice cream parlor. It has so many flavors like strawberry, chocolate, chocolate. I got 2 scoops of my favorite flavor. Even when things don't go as planned, there is always something sweet waiting for you. And that, my wonderful friend, is the end of our beach adventure. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye bye, friends.